stuff just does not want to come off. I probably could have used a bigger scraper. That's what I have. Just does not want to come off. I think I need another paint scraper. Anyway, I'll sand the rest and then see how that turns out. It's all paint there, there's no filler that I can see, so I'm lucky on this side by the looks of things. So let that dry a bit. Then I'll hook it up with a sander and see what it looks like. Up. You can see there's glass fibre across there. That's not filler, thankfully. So I'll just slowly have to sand that back. There's glass fibre all along here. I mean, there's just glass everywhere. I mean, they didn't even bother trimming it. They just slapped it on, hanging over the edge. I suppose trying to get a good seal. That's filler. That's filler. Pretty sure that's filler. A little bit of filler there, more glass up the top. Down here I was a little concerned. It's quite badly deteriorated, but it's sort of solidish. And I'm thinking possibly I can get away with some epoxy wood hardener, wood treatment. I know back here and further along on the side, it's pretty bad, see. So that's pretty good, and then I just need to understand, I need to figure out the best way. So some suggestions from you, which is great, thanks very much, is to get a router and just cut out a section and then effectively make a plate, if you will, veneer, and fill in the timber so you don't have any filler. I was thinking maybe I could take some of the filler out and then refill it with some tinted filler to match the colour, or to try and stain it. I mean, I know the best way to do it. I know the best way to do it is to actually cut it out, but you can tell by my sigh that it's probably something I don't want to do. Thankfully, on here, so far, no filler. Anyway, that's it for me, and I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.